Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a full face of Fenty Beauty products. I am so excited because I'm finally creating a full face of Fenty Beauty products, and you guys, I've been waiting on this. So if you want to see how I got this look, really quick, easy, fresh face from Fenty, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, it definitely helps me out. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I am going to start off with, I only have moisturizer on right now, the Clinique moisturizer, and I didn't want to go in with another primer, being as though this is a full face of Fenty. So I'm going to go in with the Baby What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. And guys, if you haven't seen my last video, it's like really fine mist. I like how it sprays out. Not a lot comes out at once. Whew. It caught me off guard. I was like holding the nozzle down, but it's just like a true refresher. As you can see, I don't have any brows on, and usually I'll come on here with my brows already done. But since we are trying to do this face, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the Fenty Brow Pencil. This is the Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil, and I have it in the shade medium brown. And I'm so excited because of this brush. So I'm going to test this out here on camera and see what we got going on. Now I do need to clean my brows up, but I'm gonna go ahead and brush the hairs upward from the bottom. And this is what I typically do with my brows. I brush the hairs up and then I just fill them in with the pencil. Wait a minute. I do have a brow tutorial here on my channel. I will link it up in the cards, but so far with this pencil, it is pretty thin. It's kind of breaking on me. I'm not even pressing down really hard. So if you have thick eyebrows and you're trying to do some quick like I do, you may not like this little pencil, or you may want it for the detail part because it is like a precise, like detailed pencil. But if you have thinner brows, this will be perfect because it is an ultra thin type of pencil, so you can fill in your brows pretty quickly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other brow and come back and we'll finish the face. So brows are done for the most part. I'm gonna go ahead into the foundation. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Foundation in the shade 310 as well. Just another note that she did create the foundations to match your she created the foundation so that you can just go ahead and pick up the same number in concealer, and they're already created a little bit brighter. The concealers are already created a little bit brighter. So if you are someone that's like having trouble matching yourself, then that's an easy way, which I really do enjoy about the Fenty Beauty brand, is that they've made it easy for you to find your match without having to work too hard of it. Now, if you're one that wants a light under eye or just a brighter under eye, you can certainly go up in shade. It feels weird because I didn't get a primer, and I just went in with this refreshing spray, but you can use this spray for a primer, a refresher, and supposedly a setting spray. So you get all of that in one with this spray anyway. All right, going in with the concealer. This concealer a little bit goes a long way, you guys. So if you're going for a more like natural look, you do not need a lot of this. If you're going for a more like full coverage type of look, then you can go in with as much as you want. But it's pretty like medium to full coverage concealer. This hydrating foundation is medium to full coverage to me. I did put 2 layers of foundation, so that was about 2.5 pumps, just so I can get a fuller coverage. But other than that, these products are super easy to work with, which is what I love about Fenty Beauty brand. And it's for the like everyday, like if you're on a go, you can definitely use these products and not have to think twice. Majority of these products, if not all, you can use them with your fingers or just a simple sponge or brush, whichever is your preference. So here I am just blending in that concealer. I'm just going for a medium coverage type of look, but still look glowy because I'm not going anywhere. All right, so now I'm going to be trying the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Mini Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and I have it in the shade Cashew. You guys, make sure you check out that video, my haul that I recently put up when I was talking about all of these different products that I recently got from Fenty and other brands. But definitely check out that video and you'll get my first initial thoughts and my excitement from this haul. So going in with Cashew, that's the shade. It's crazy that this is dark. Maybe because I'm using a sponge. Oh my. When I tried it in that video, I swatched it on my hand and it's pretty bright when I, look. Then when I put it on my eye, it's not. So I'm gonna use this for all over my face then. Wow. That just messed up the whole look over here. So I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier because I don't have a lighter shade in Fenty. That is so weird that it swatches on my hand light, but not on the face. So I was right, I should have just waited until banana was in stock, but this was during the friends and family sale. So okay, well, we're just gonna move on. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze with the Fenty Sunstalker Beijing Gal bronzer, and mine look like this. Let me get my bronzing brush. Maybe I can revise this. I don't know, that powder is pretty matte. It makes me look a little chalky. So for eyeshadow, I'm just gonna put the bronzer in my crease and use this as a transition shade. I didn't get any of her eyeshadow palettes that she just recently came out with, the little stacker ones. I purchased her Galaxy palette when she first started dropping like different products in the line. She meaning Rihanna. I know I keep saying she, but when Rihanna dropped the palette, the Galaxy palette, when she was first starting out dropping things in her line, I got this palette, but the only thing it's missing is a transition shades or any matte shades. So that's why I'm using my bronzer for that. But this is what the palette looks like. It's a gorgeous packaging palette. I hardly use it, but it's just literally all sparkly shades. So that's what that palette looks like. It's all shimmers. So that's why I'm using the bronzer as a matte transition so that we can move right on to the next part. Okay, so I have a few of her Kilowatt foils. This one is Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset, and that looks like this. The other one I have is my first one, the Mean Money and Hustle Baby. It looks like this. So that's those two. And then I have Sandcastle and Minted Mojito. I really like this one with that blue in there. Gorgeous. And then this one is Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. And this is like a rose gold pinky if you're into pinks. So I'm gonna actually use this one for blush. And then we'll move on to the rest of the eyes. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and just place that all over my lid. It's a really pretty like pinky like sparkle shade. I'm just gonna use my finger. Like I said, you can use majority of her products, if not all, you can use with your finger. And this is just a really simple color just to place on the lid. I love the sparkles in here. So on those days where I just want to do a simple eye like this, that is what I do. In the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with this blue. The blue is called Mojito, or Minted Mojito, sorry. And place that in the inner corner. I love using this color as an inner corner. It just brightens up the eye. Now, on to the mascara. I'm so excited about this. So that's basically what I'm gonna do to the eye. For mascara, this is the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Cause I'm Black mascara, and I'm so excited to see how this is gonna work. It's so funny because using a mini mascara is like, where's the rest of my handle? But I think all brands should have a mini mascara. You really don't even finish Well, I don't even think I finished a mascara except for my Benefit Bad Girl Bang one. But comment down below if you finished a full-size mascara before. The mascara is nice. I definitely think I need to get the full size because I'm like, the bottom lashes was a little challenging for me to get the bottom lashes with this wand. But I am gonna pop on just like some half lashes because I'm just so extra. They're not Fenty, so I'm gonna pop these on and I'll be right back. So I'm back with the half lashes that I put on. I'm gonna just go ahead and highlight with Moscow Mule and, I said Moscow Mule. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with Mean Money and Hustle Baby. All right, so for lips, I have some of the Fenty Beauty's Mademoiselle lipsticks, and I'll swatch these for you. I have it in the shade Spanked, which is like this really pretty nudie pink. I think I'm gonna go in with that. And then I also have PMS, which is this beautiful, like burnt brown, like chocolate brown. And that's how that one looks. So I think I'm gonna go in with Spanked, and then I'm gonna top it off with the Fussy lip gloss. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. And I'm not sure how I feel about everything. It's so weird that, I don't know if it's because I don't have a moisturizing primer on, and because I went in with just the spray, I don't feel as hydrated as I normally would when I wear this foundation here, because this is the hydrating foundation. So that's the only thing that's throwing me off. And then, as you guys saw, I tried the cashew under my eyes, so it doesn't look as bright as I wanted. So I had to put Laura Mercier on top of it. So I kind of cheated, not doing a whole face of Fenty Beauty. But other than that, I do like the products. The brow pencil is my only one that's like, I'm not sure. I like the brush, but maybe I need to try another color. I don't know. It just wasn't going on as the way that I thought it would. Like, really going on, like, not too harsh, but enough where I can see the product. I wasn't even pressing down hard, and some of my pencil was like breaking, so I don't know how I feel about the pencil just yet. As far as the spray, it's supposed to be a dewy spray, I thought this is supposed to be a dewy spray, but I don't feel dewy. Like I said, I don't know if it's because I don't have a hydrating primer on under my foundation, but as far as the mascara, I couldn't really get the bottom of my lashes, but overall, I think the look came out pretty cute and colorful. It's definitely out of my comfort zone. I would have rather put a nude lip on, but I didn't have a nude one by Fenty. But I love the Mademoiselle lipsticks. If you don't have your hands on one of these lipsticks, girl, get one in your collection. They're so creamy. They're a matte finish, but they're so creamy. They don't crack and crumble. They're really hydrated on the lips, so I definitely give those a plus. But yeah, overall, I love using these products by Fenty. So if you don't have any Fenty products, then definitely look into it, and comment down below what products you do have by Fenty and if you like it or not. Let's have a conversation in the comment section below. But yes, that is everything of my full face Fenty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.